Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to keep your Instagram messages private on your iPhone's lock screen. This way, no one will be able to see who sent you a message or what it says unless you unlock your phone. There are several reasons why you might want to hide your Instagram messages. Privacy. You might not want others to know who you're messaging on Instagram. Security. If you lose your phone, you don't want someone to be able to access your messages easily. Discretion. You might not want the content of your messages to be visible on your lock screen. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. In the list of apps, find Instagram and tap on it. Under Show Previews, you'll see Always. This will show the message sender and content on your lock screen and notification center. When unlocked, this will show your messages when the phone is unlocked. Never. This will hide the message sender and content, only showing that you have a notification from Instagram. Tap on When Unlocked to hide message previews. Now, let's test it out. Send yourself a message on Instagram and then lock your phone. You'll see a notification that you have a message from Instagram, but the sender and content will be hidden. That's it. You've successfully hidden your Instagram messages from your iPhone's lock screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them.